My outfit's arrived. I don't want no one talking shit about my rapper. This shit is comfortable. Oh, there goes my earrings. Go make for ya, show for range for ya. Where are guys like this? Where are they at though? Where are they at though? Let you know I'm waiting for you. Finally famous.
This dress, I actually really love it. Like, this fits so good.
But yeah, I really like this one. It's cute. And this one, like I said, is in the medium. Definitely could have gotten a large.
Link all the outfits down.
I'm standing here because I can't breathe. I'm trying to figure out what size I got this in. Jesus. I would not recommend eating in this outfit. That one bite of rice will kill you. These are the shorts that I got from Fashion Nova. I'm actually really surprised that they fit because sometimes I order the jeans or the shorts and they either a hit or miss. And I just paired it up with a turtleneck just because I'm already showing so much skin. So I needed something to be covered at the top. So they're really short, booty cheeks. And I got them for Puerto Rico, but that's not happening, so. There's so many things wrong with this outfit. Like, on me, it's just too short. Like, you can't do anything. Like, you cannot do, you bend over and it's over. Do you understand me? Like, everything is you're exposed. Like, I love the top. The top is cute. You could work with the top, I guess, and wear like some super high-waisted jeans. I really like this one. It's super comfortable. I'm not wearing a bra with this one, but if I was going out, I would probably wear a bandeau underneath it just for extra protection. And probably wear sneakers and run errands, or if I wanted to dress it up, I could just throw on some heels. Little purse and go. I really like it. Next, black high-waisted jeans. I needed a new pair because the ones I was wearing all the time were starting to look old and I was getting tired of them. They're super high-waisted and I'm just wearing it with the previous top from the last outfit just to show y'all how much it covers. So this is what the back looks like. And it's just a skinny leg at the bottom. It has a cute little rip. But I really like these. Fashion Nova with their bottoms is, I don't know. I don't know really what size I am because it varies. Sometimes I'll order jeans and it's a 13. Sometimes I'll order a 15 and it'll fit, and sometimes it won't. It just varies on the material, I guess, if it's stretchy or not. They're super comfortable, they're super high-waisted, so it literally covers your whole stomach. So if you wanted to show a little bit of skin, it's not like nothing major. Super cute. Next, I just got another pair of blue jeans, and they're also high-waisted. I'm gonna put these on real quick. I'll be right back. Right here, this is what they look like. This is what they look like from the back. They're really comfortable. They have the rips at the bottom too, and they're a skinny leg. Okay guys, so that's pretty much everything that I got from Fashion Nova. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like the video down below. Thanks for watching. God bless. You have a good day. Just so you can let me know that we be on. Like he the one. Yeah, yeah.